This is a unique smartphone that comes with rollable concept. The smartphone comes with a big display that expands from 6.7 inches to 7.4 inches with an OLED capacitive touchscreen. The resolution is 1080 by 2400 pixels and the display is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3. The operating system of the device is Android 10.0 Color OS 7.2. The smartphone is powered by MediaTek MT6853V Dimensity 725G octa-core processor, while the GPU is Mali G57MC3. The device is packed with 6GB RAM and 128GB internal storage. Oppo K7X consists of a quad camera 48MP, wide 8MP, ultra-wide 2MP, macro 2MP, depth, while on the front there is a single 16MP, wide camera. The smartphone is available in two colors, blue and black. The smartphone is fueled with a non-removable LiPo 5000 mAh battery, fast charging 30W, 100% in 65 minutes, advertised reverse charging. The sensors include fingerprint, side-mounted, accelerometer, gyro, proximity, and compass. The dimension of the device is 162.2 by 75.1 by 9.1 millimeters and it weighs 194 grams. Oppo X 2021 is the first rollable smartphone from the brand that can also be used as a tablet. As per users' requirements, you can enjoy a stunning visual experience, capture quality images, and perform other functions as well. However, its non-expandable storage and a single SIM slot are a massive turnoff, considering the price range of the particular Oppo X 2021 smartphone. Runs on Android V11Q operating system. The phone is powered by octa-core to 1 by 2.84 GHz Cryo 485 and 3 by 2.42 GHz Cryo 485 and 4 by 1.78 GHz Cryo 485 processor. It runs on the Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 chipset. It has 12 GB RAM and 512GB internal storage. Oppo X 2021 smartphone has a Super AMOLED display. It measures 160.9mm by 117.9mm by 6.9mm and weighs 263 grams. The screen has a resolution of 1536x 2152 pixels and 362 pixels per inch pixel density. On camera front, the buyers get a 12MP f1.5 wide, 12MP f2.4 telephoto, 2x optical zoom, 16MP f2.2 ultra-wide camera, and on the rear, there's and 12MP 16MP camera with features like digital zoom, auto flash, face detection, touch to focus. It is backed by a 4235 mAh battery. Connectivity features in the smartphone include Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, Volt, and more.